That's right. Today's the day, brother. What's that? Did you make that dragon?
No, but I know the woman
that
did do the dragon.
Pretty dope.
You hear me though? She's real.
The dragon?
Yes. Her name is Susan. They just did it.
Really?
Hey, if you could empty it, it's completely full.
Susan. All right.
They don't think you're going to empty it. You ought to do it so they won't.
Susan the dragon.
That's Mother Nature.
Mother Nature.
Like, no, I'm serious about something. You can sit here and pray to this thing and ask for things.
Yeah.
And you get it. Like, whenever I talk to her, because I actually happened to get engaged to Mother Nature, Susan, somehow. And so she rained on me one whole day here. Just rained on me. No clouds in the sky.
Wow.
I'm serious. She just rained on me. Everywhere when she rained on me. I love that girl. That's my wife. But anyway, it's a long story short. That's my wife, man. My wife.
Keep it herbal, smoke of the green?
I don't have any, man. I'm too broke. But let's check it out. Let me tell you a story.
Yeah.
So anyway, one day I'm rained on all day, right? And I'm rolling around shopping about 18 years ago, right? And so I eventually start to wonder why this happened. And I was like, God bless you, bro.
Clear joint. Classic.
I see that.
Old school.
Why would I, you know, dude, after that day, everything got weird. Because I was like, why would you, and I kept wondering, why would I be rained on without a cloud in the sky? Because that's not natural.
Oh, yeah.
And so Susan started to talk to me.
That's magic.
And so she said, if you can stop drinking on, like, the 4th of July, the whole day, I'll prove my love for you. I go, okay.
Wow.
She goes, ask me what you want. I go, okay, I want you to do 5 or 6 Richter scale. And on that day, 4th of July, if I can go, and I watch all day until 12 o'clock, on the nose, I want a volcano. I want an earthquake at 12 on the nose.
Wow.
And so I asked her on 4th of July. And so you know what happened? I don't know if you know, but this past 4th of July, what happened on 4th of July?
Really?
At 12 o'clock?
Really?
There was a 5 to 6, or maybe close to 7 Richter scale.
That was you?
At 12. Yes.
You need a lighter? You got light?
No, I'm okay. I'm going to when I sit down. Because look, I'm cleaning up the area, right?
Good man. Thank you.
But no, look at the doodoo balls. I'm cleaning up.
Doodoo balls, damn,
yeah. See, that shows the sentiment to me. So
what's your name?
Todd or Turtle. When I hooked up with this person.
Turtle. Nice.
Yeah, when I hooked this person here, it changed everything because I started living okay.
Turtle and the dragon.
I always take the pen, get that green board.
There you go.
Green penny.
Green team.
And I started, really thinking different. But everything started changing. I started having problems. People started fucking with me. I went to jail without booty on her booty. Oh, I'm sorry.
Green Cloud. That's my name, Green Cloud.
Really?
Green Cloud.
So you're not a bad guy.
Big stoner. No, just stoner.
No, because there's a white guy that robbed me before.
Oh, no.
To get the shit out of me. He's done some evil shit.
Yeah.
I mean, this dude is a piece of
Well, people get on some bad drugs. They get drunk.
No, dude, he tried to just beat me with a pipe. Dude, look at her booty. That
just cuz, huh? They're out here.
All right, Merry Christmas.
See you, Turtle.
Ow. That's what I want to take you, bro.
Ow. Green team. Turtle and the dragon. G-Wagon's the new Prius. You know America's doing good. Those G-Wagons are everywhere. Yeah! Player haters. Green team. Keep it herbal. It's the mothership cactus up there. One love.